I also remembered some strange. Most of the people were, many rather, were very strange-looking people, and I remember it quite well because many years later, I did talk to my father, asking him why did I have this impression of people looking strange and very different than normal in some ways. And he basically told me that it was a large labor camp where there were lots of Jews and Poles and maybe other people, and it was there was hunger. No, of course, no comparison to what was in the ghettos in Poland, but nevertheless, people were hungry, and there was lack of things that they were used to. He was explaining to me that when I asked him, people looked strange to me. He said, "Look, imagine that you're a cigarette smoker and there is no cigarettes. So they made up their own cigarettes by smoking moss. And I'm sure that smoking moss after a while may create some problems to the smoker, and he obviously was unhappy smoking moss." The same thing he said, some people like to drink alcohol, drink vodka or whatever. Well, there was no alcohol in that camp, but for some strange reason, these people were able to get a hold of eau de cologne, and they were apparently drinking that, and I'm sure that it had some psychological effect on these people. In addition to that, he was saying that it was very tough, difficult physical work, and among the people there in that camp, there were some who were intellectuals, and they were not used to hard labor, and it sets a sense of tiredness. There were lots of people who died out of physical exhaustion or hunger or diseases. So maybe the fact that they looked strange because it was a very difficult place to survive.